Okay, so I'm supposed to be productive right now. However, I finally have time to play Baldur's Gate, and I am taking that opportunity. So, how am I how am I playing this game? Um, we are hand sequencing while playing my game. I just do the sewing during dialogue and really long battles. So I was making this ruffle on my machine and I ran out of bobbin thread halfway through. So I have a tail here, and then I just switched out to a pre-made black bobbin that I had, and I finished the rest of the ruffle. I actually think that's going to work out a lot better because I always have a problem accidentally breaking my gather string. But now I can adjust the gathers of half and then adjust the gathers of the other half. I feel like there will be less of a chance of that string breaking. So yay. And it broke. I am getting my studio put together. The last video I took, there was a bunch of stuff here, and there was a bunch of stuff here. There's still a bunch of stuff there, but it looks like a mess now. But believe it or not, we are making progress. Tomorrow I have a Murphy's bed that I'm going to set up right here, and it has like a built-in bookshelf and everything, so that's going to help me organize some of these boxes, which are books mostly. And then I need to get this shelf hung up so that I can get my art supplies organized. And then yeah, so right now it's just a bunch of little stuff I'm trying to figure out what to do with. I need to put my laser cutter in a better spot, stuff to put into the garage, and then the closet is kind of a wreck, but it is organized. Closet doors will be going back on that eventually. But yeah, progress is progress. And look, I found this artwork that I forgot I owned. I don't know who this is. I can't, cab, maybe. I bought this at Wizard World one year, so I'm gonna get that framed and properly put that on the wall because it's gorgeous. But yeah, so that's as far as I've gotten so far. Hopefully I will make more progress on this room tomorrow. I'm not sure how much sewing I'm going to get done, given that this is the main project I want to work on. So we'll see. It is Saturday morning, and I was hoping to have Belle's skirt finished yesterday, but I ran out of ruffle, so that's exciting. So I have to order more lace. I got that from Amazon, so I'm going to have to wait a couple of days before I can finish her skirt. And I thought I would get her bodice finished, and I ran out of boning tips, so I'm waiting for those to get here. I ordered some different ones this time from Farthingale's Corset Supplies, which is based in Canada, so that's going to take a little bit to get here. But they had a special tip that I can use to on my Dritz snap pliers, so that I can just squeeze once to put the boning tip on instead of using two pliers and hurting my hands. So there's that. So all of my corsets are currently on hold because I need the boning covers and burgundy thread. So I should be able to continue with Smaug once I have the thread, if I make it out to Joann's today. Once I have that thread, I could start working on the skirt for Smaug, so we'll see how that goes. But I have to admit, a good portion of my time has been eaten up by Baldur's Gate 3. So I will keep adding sequence while I play, so I don't lose out on that time. And my studio is coming along. So that's the progress for this week. I don't think it was too bad. I didn't get as much done as I wanted, but I've been doing other things. So for the time restraints that I've had, it's not bad. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm going to focus my attention on finishing Belle though, because I only have like 3 weeks before I head out to Disney World for their Halloween party thing. So that will be my #1 focus going forward. But yeah, so I'm really enjoying these videos. I think that they did help keep me on track the past couple of weeks, even though I got a little distracted with other things. So I will keep posting weekly. So yeah, so that's week #2 in the books, and I will see you next week.